Over here. Is he gonna go?
That's the turtle.
Yeah. Look at all the snow over there. On that bench. See the big powder on the bench? You scoop some of that snow up with that big scooper? It's the airplane's up in the sky. It's inside the clouds. You can't see it. Want to scoop some of that snow off the bench with the big scooper? Can you use the big scooper to get the snow off the bench? Oh my goodness. Did you just hit the big scooper like that? Ooh. Did you just make a big ball with the scooper? Oh my. Look at that giant snowball you got. You made a big giant snowball. Is that your big giant snowball?
What that?
I don't know. I think that's probably somebody's snowblower. Whoa! Whoa! That's a lot of snow. It's a lot of snow you got there. Hey, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.